everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 11 Lite, and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can enter the settings which are in the right upper corner. And as you can see, we have to take a look at this option bar, and on the second position we've got the timer, actually the options which are connected to the timer. And right now the timer is off because this clock icon is, let's say, highlighted, but we've got also 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay. As you can see, after tapping on it, it will be immediately highlighted to this yellow color, so it means that it is set. We can go back to the camera and check. So let's tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, let's check another option. So for example, 3 seconds, the same situation was highlighted, and it will count down from 3 this time. And of course, after turning it off, it will get back to its normal state and will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually, this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your Xiaomi 11 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.